Question 3 asks you to find the solution algebraically to the following system of equations. So there's a couple of ways you could do this question. If you like elimination method, then what you could do is just line up equation 1 and equation 2. 3x plus y equals 4. 2x minus 3y equals 10. And then you could decide maybe that you were going to say multiply the first equation by 2 to get 6x plus 2y equals 8, and multiply the second equation by 3 to get 6x minus 9y equals 30. And that would result in getting the two coefficients of x the same. Then we could subtract those two equations. 6x minus 6x is 0. 2 minus negative 9y is going to be 2 plus 9y, which is 11y. And then 8 minus 30 is going to be negative 22. Divide by 11 and you get y equals negative 2. Negative 2, right? Then what you would do is you would take that and then substitute it back into one of the equations. So maybe you might choose equation 1 and say 3x plus negative 2 equals 4 instead of 3x plus y equals 4. And then you have 3x minus 2 equals 4. Add 2 to both sides. You get 3x equals 6. And then divide by 3. And you get x equals 2. All right. Now, if you preferred substitution method, then it could work if you, say, took equation 1 and rearrange it. Right? So you could take equation 1, 3x plus y equals 4, and you could move 3x over to the other side. You get y equals 4 minus 3x. Then you could substitute into equation 2. So you could have 2x minus 3, and instead of y here, right, you could put 4 minus 3x into the equation. You would then need to multiply out the 3 into the bracket, plus 9x, right? And it's negative 3 multiplied by both of those terms, so the sign changed. You'd still have your 2x equals 10. I would put my x's together, and I would get 11x minus 12 equals 10. I would add my 12, and I get 11x equals 22, and then divide by 2, and I would get x equals 2. And so I still end up getting the exact same thing that I got if I used elimination. Right? Notice in this arrangement of work that I did, I got x first instead of y first, like I did over here with elimination. But remember, that doesn't matter, right? So then my step would still be the same as it is in this second step. I have x, so I'm going to substitute that into maybe equation 1. 3x plus y equals 4. 3 times 2 plus y equals 4. 6 plus y equals 4. And therefore, that's negative 2 because I subtract 6 from both sides, right? So I still get negative 2 for y.